Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get SEC network on ESPN Plus. So let me explain something to you. So SEC Network Plus and ESPN Plus, they're not actually television channels, but they're actually available via the ESPN app on your TV. You can go and get them through the connected streaming services and devices and just go and get the plan, okay? Purchase the plan using your credit card, your debit card, and you can go ahead and watch the SEC Network and ESPN Plus as well. Okay? So as you can see right here, it is complimentary and it'll be part of your subscription with your cable, satellite, or streaming provider in this case. And therefore, guys, I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.